Right, hi everyone. Take out your chapter 5 quiz. Check that the answer is as follows. Good? Okay, so pause the video now and fast forward the video to the part where you got it wrong. Alright? Okay, let's go. Now, for question 1, so let's take a look at question 1. First, after copying down the question, what you want to do is to group the like terms together. So who are the like terms? So P and P is the like term. Remember, minus 0.8. P is one term, alright? The minus follow the 0.8. Now, if I go by the idea again, to move over the smaller term, right? Smaller x term. So if I move negative 0.8 over, it will be plus. Okay, so you will see that over here this is plus, and to move the negative 4 over, it will be plus as well. Now take out your calculator. Now you can press 1.2 plus 0.8, and then you get a 2, right? So you will see 2, but cannot just write 2 because there's a P there, right? So if there's a P there, then there will be a P there. Now, then similarly, if I have an equal sign, if I have a times, I bring over, it will be divide. So how does it work out here? You can imagine this as like that. Alright, so I want to remove the 2. So I divide both sides by 2, then I can cancel them away. And 10 divided by 2 will give you 5. Okay, now let's go on to the next one. Using the same idea, I want to group the like terms together. So group the like terms together, there's only one x term. So what I can do is I can bring the negative x to the other side. Or if I do not want to bring the negative x to the other side, I can bring the number to the other side. So there's two options available. So if you move the 5 3/4 to the other side, because it is a plus, so after I bring over, it will be a minus. Take our calculator. You will see that 1 and 1, 5 over 8 minus 5 3/4, you will get negative. Now using the bring over idea, so if it is negative, you bring over become positive. So what you can do is you can actually bring the negative x over. Alright, so when you bring it over, it becomes positive. Similarly, if negative 4 over 8 bring over, it will become positive. Alright, so that's how you get the answer. Alternative, you can say both sides times negative 1. Alright, also can remove the negative sign. Now let's look at question 3. First important idea is that I want to remove the bracket. Another way of saying this, I want to expand. So expanding means you take negative times 2, so you have a negative 2. Now negative times negative 3x will give you a plus. Alright, it is a plus 3x. So check that this is a plus for your working. Now next I want to group like terms together. Alright, so 5x plus 3x will give you the 8x. Next, again I want to group like terms together, so move the smaller one over. So 4x move over would be minus 5x, and minus 2 move over would be plus 2. Oh, so I made a mistake here. So this should be a plus 2. And I think the answer will be different. So if it's a plus 2, then you will expect this to be 4x equals to 8. And then because I want to remove the 4, so I will divide both sides by 4. Or I bring over the 4. So 8 divided by 4 will give you 2. Now question 2, I want to put the values in, and by putting the values in, I will use a calculator to key in everything. Now remember, minus times minus will give you a plus. And press your calculator straight away, you should get 2 and 1/3. So if you sub in correctly, you get 1 mark. Final answer get 1 mark. Now, next one, you see, I can buy n mangoes and I will get 80 cents left. So if I can buy 1 mango, so amount of money I have, or this Mrs. Tan have lah, is actually equals to 1 times 1.6 plus 0.8. If I got 2 mango, I will get 2 times 1.6, and I still left 0.8, right? So if I get n mango, I will get n times 1.6 plus 0.8. Now, the apples idea works the same. If I can buy 1 apple, I will have 1 times, 0.7 plus 0.1. If you can buy 2 apples, I'll get 2 times 0.7. If I can buy n plus 10 apple, I'll get n plus 10 times 0.7 plus 0.1. So the amount I have should be the same. So this orange and this orange should be together. Should be the same thing, right? And this pink should look something like this. Now I place a 0.7 so that in front, so that it's easier for me to do the expansion. Alright, so if I expand, I will get this, and then I want to group the like terms together. So if you can see, I group this 7 and 0.1 together. Now I observe again, I have 1.6 n and 0.7 n. So I want to group them together, bring the smaller one over, and for plus 0.8, I also bring it over, become minus 0.8. Combine them together, and then find n, and I got n equals to 7. So combine them together means like that. So 1.6 minus 0.7. Press your calculator, you will get 0.9. Alright, and I want to remove the 0.9. So both sides I will take 0.9 divided by 0.9. And I will take n 6.3 divided by 0.9. Okay, so for question A, you can stop your answer as this. You can write your answer as this, or as this. Okay, so anywhere along the line, you'll get the answer. My suggestion is to use the first statement. Try and put your answer like the first statement, and then just that's a final answer. Now for question part C, you want to know that the amount of money I have is either the orange one, which is here, or the pink one. Now the orange one looks simpler, so I'll put n equals to 7 into the n on the 7. So I take 1.6 times 7, and then I plus 0.8, and then my answer would be 12 after key into calculator. So just do a minor correction. For 1C, the answer is not x equals to 2, is x equals, no, it's not x equals to 1, it's actually x equals to 2. So that's all. That's the final answer for quiz 5. Alright.